Welcome to Math Speed Market. Today we're gonna solve a really nice problem. So let's talk about this. If we have this triangle with three sides, ln x, ln 2x, ln 3x, we want to find x. And of course, you know that ln x, ln 2x, ln 3x have to be positive because they are the sign of the triangle. So if we use Pythagoras equation, we can write ln x squared plus ln 2x squared, that's equals ln 3x squared. And of course, you know that, for example, if you have ln ab, of course a times b, you can write it as ln a plus ln b, right? So here we can write ln x squared plus ln x plus ln 2 squared, that's equal ln x plus ln 3 squared, right? And of course, you know that, for example, if you have a plus b squared, you can write it as a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. If you have a minus b squared, the answer will be equal a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So here on the left side, again ln x squared plus again ln x squared plus ln 2 squared plus 2 times ln x times ln 2, right? That's equal. On the right side, we can write ln x squared plus ln 3 squared plus 2 times ln x times ln 3. Yeah, that's it. We can cancel ln x and ln x squared on the left side and on the right side. So it means we can write our equation as ln x squared plus 2 times ln x times ln 2 minus ln 3. Why? Because if we move 2 times ln x times ln 3 to the left side, it becomes here, so it has 2 times ln x, and here we have 2 times ln x. We can factor 2 times ln x, so we can write ln 2 minus ln 3, and here we have ln 3 squared, and here we have ln 2 squared, and we can write plus ln 2 squared minus ln 3 squared, that's equal 0. So it means, again, we can write ln x squared plus let me check. Yes, ln x times 2 ln 2 minus 2 ln, oh sorry, oh, let me clean it, ln 3 plus, for example, oh, let me write it for you something. For example, if you have a squared minus b squared, you can write it as a plus b times a minus b. So here we can write ln 2 plus ln 3 times ln 2 minus ln 3. That's better, right? So, and here we need something else, and here we have, if for example you have ln a minus ln b, of course you know that you can write it as ln a divided by b, and the base is e, of course you know this. So again, ln x squared plus ln x times what? Times what? Times 2 ln 2 divided by 3. Yes, that's right. I think, yeah, that's it. Plus ln 6 times ln 2 divided by 3. That's equal to 0, right? So if you look at this equation, that's a quadratic equation. If, for example, if we use a substitution ln x as t, but of course we don't need a substitution. And for example, if you see one of my videos, I proved that, for example, if you have a t squared plus bt plus c, that's equals 0. So we can calculate t with this. That will be equal minus b positive and negative square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And I proved that what is that why this is correct, and I put the link of that video in description. If you don't know, you can check. So it means in this in the white equation, ln x will be equal minus let me write it, for example, for you if you don't know, this is c, this is b, and a is equal 1, so we don't write this. ln x will be equal minus b, so minus 2 times ln 2 divided by 3 positive and negative square root of b squared, so 2 ln 2 over 3 squared minus 4 times a, that's 1, times c, that's ln 6 times ln 2 over 3 divided by 2. Yeah, that's it. So what should I do right now? What can I do right now? We can calculate this one. That's big, so we don't like this. If you like calculate this, you can write it as 4 ln 2 over 3 squared minus 4 ln 2 over 3 times ln 6. So if you look at this, we can factor 4 ln 2 over 3, so you will have ln 2 over 3 minus ln 6. So according to this, according to that point that I told you, it will be equal to ln 2 over 3 divided by 6. That's equal 1 over 9. And of course, you can write it as minus 4 times ln 2 divided by 3 times ln 9. So, if you look at this, we have a square root, but here we have negative. What's the problem? The problem is ln 2 over 3 is a negative number. So, minus 4 ln 2 over 3 times ln 9, you can write it as move negative to this side. So we have 4 times ln 3 over 2 times ln 9. That's better. So, yeah, of course, that's better. So, it means ln x will be equal, use this one, so minus ln 2 over 3 positive and negative square root of 4 times ln 1.5 or ln 3 over 2 times ln 9 divided by 2. And of course, you know that Again, you can move negative on this, so we can write ln 3 over 2, positive and negative. Square root of 4, that's equal to, we can cancel 2 and 2 on the top and on the denominator. So the answer will be equal square root of ln 3 over 2 times ln 9, right? Yes, that's right. But here it means we have two answers, the one positive and one negative. But that's not. We have one answer. Why? Because ln x was the side of a triangle, so it has to be positive. And if you calculate ln 3 over 2 minus the square root of ln 3 over 2 times ln 9, that's a negative. So it can be our answer. So the possible answer is ln x equals ln 3 divided by 2 plus square root of ln 3 divided by 2 times ln 9. But we wanted to find x, so we use e for the base. So we can cancel e and ln, and x will be equal e to the power of ln 3 over 2 plus square root of ln 3 over 2 times ln 9, and it is our final answer. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.